Hi Bingus. We're joined by Bingus today. Hello, if you don't know me, my name is Marcy, and if you do know me, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just going to be doing my TikTok and my YouTube lighting setup. It's honestly not that hard and it's not that different from each other, so I really don't think it's going to be that difficult to understand. It's kind of a beginner lighting tutorial because I'm obviously like no professional and I like barely do lighting anyways. So yeah, let's just get into it. So we're going to start with my YouTube one because it's already like set up. Obviously I have my camera right here. I don't use my phone. I actually use the Sony ZV-1F, and attached to my camera I have this light that is dead, but usually it's charged and usually I do use it. So I just like put it in the corner over here and it gives me a good like light source. Like right now I look kind of dark, so using that like just brightens everything up. And then over here I have this light, which is actually my sunset lamp I got off of Amazon. And let me just like turn it off. So sorry, it comes with like this remote and you can like pick the color, and honestly it has a bunch of colors. Like that's pink, red, blue, like you get it. Like, and I actually lay it like right here where Bingus is, and I lay it right here between my pillow. Sorry Bingus, you chose to sit there, little boy. I kind of like angle it towards my wall. Bingus, he's so mad at me. I like angle it over here so it's like behind me, and that's what you guys see. Just add something cute to my background. And then I have my camera on a tripod. I don't even know if I said that, but yeah, go to sleep Bingus. I have my camera on a tripod and I kind of just like prop it up in front of my bed. It's nothing special. I have my overhead lights, I like my room lights. And then I have, for my main light source, but I have this ring light and I got it on Amazon for like what, 15-20 bucks. It can go through, you know, like the whites, the rainbows. It can flash between colors. Like I usually have it on like a standard white, but if I wanted purple, blue, whatever. It also flashes colors like this. It's like a rainbow. But yeah, so here like this. So I usually keep it on this one, I think. So that's my YouTube setup. If I'm sitting on my bed, this is what I would have my setup as. If I was sitting over at my desk, it would be like the same thing, except I wouldn't use the big tripod that I have. I'd put my camera on either this, it just has like these legs that you can like wrap onto anything, or I'd put my camera on this, which is like a mini stand that I got off of Amazon. It's like a knockoff of the Sony one because I did not want to spend like $100 on that. And I plug my LED light and my sunset lamp into an extension cord that I have. It's not that hard. And for my TikToks, it's basically going to be the same thing. My background is not that hard. I'm going to change the angle and then show you what I do. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm standing in front of where I actually film my TikTok. So this is just my closet door. I have two closet doors. They're like sliding, and I basically just put this black sheet that I got from Goodwill for like $2-3, and I grabbed 2 push pins and I put each side of the sheet like on the corner of this, and it's just like my backdrop, it's black. So after that I have my sunset lamp again, and I plop it onto my sister's bed, actually that's right next to me, and like it's just another light source. It's pretty cute. I film my TikToks on my iPhone 13 with the front camera on the TikTok app. So I put my phone onto the ring light because the ring light has like this phone stand right here, and I just film with this, use this as my light, have my backdrop and my light source. And yeah, I usually put my my ring light super high up, like way higher than me, so y'all don't see my double chin. But like, and I use filters, like it's, so if I was going to put my phone onto this, my case is really big, so I probably like won't fit, but I just put my phone on this thing and it holds it. I pick the color that I want. I actually use a yellow color when I do my TikToks for this. So I grab the buttons at the bottom. I'll just look there. It has like buttons, and I like just move through until I find the color that I want. Like let's say I wanted to do yellow. Oh my god, my phone just fell. If I was doing my TikToks, just imagine the black sheet behind me, because I'm not doing that. It would be like this. So you see me, my black sheet, my ring light, you'd be in front of me, and then my light source would either be behind me or I would have it bouncing off my face. If I was sitting at my desk, I'd be doing the same thing with the ring light in front of me, my sunset lamp on the side. I put my phone like on a phone tripod. Here, let me build it real quick. Put my phone on this. So my phone would be like this on my tripod. It would be laying on my desk like this. My ring light would be in front of me, like how it's been the whole time. My sunset lamp would be facing either my face or the side of me, and that's basically it. That's basically my lighting setup. I do plan on improving it. Like I do plan on getting like floodlights or LED lights or something, but for right now I'm kind of content with it, and I actually really like it. Yeah, I know this video was kind of short, but if you see me in the next video wearing the same outfit, I'm batch recording. So if I'm reviewing the footage and whatever I'm saying doesn't make sense, I'll just like put videos or photos explaining what I'm doing. This should technically be the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys someday. Bye.